Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last class we discussed the arithmetic progression foundation. In that nth term, starting term, common differences, calculation, the different terms they mentioned how to frame that arithmetic progression. Some of the terms they mentioned how to frame arithmetic progression. That is the first part 1 over. Arithmetic progression comes to part 2, summation of the terms, how should be calculated. The given series, how to add, how to calculate if a series will contains starting 10 terms a contain series. So how to calculate directly here to here the summation of the terms. The series will continue 0 to that infinite series. Want summation from first term to fifth term, how much addition will take place. The summation of number of terms to want to calculate. How to do it? That is the question. One example I can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 7 the series are going on till infinite. Till infinite is going on. So if you wanted to add, if you want to sum of 50 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till 50 terms is what I can do? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 till I should do till 100 I will get 50 terms. Till I have to add and summation. It will take a long time. To find summation to some terms, either 5 terms or 6 terms or 50 terms, 100 terms also. We have a direct formula if the series in AP. If the series in AP, we want to find out sum of the n terms. So, sum of the n terms. Next we are writing sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. If you want to find the sum of the terms, we have a direct formula. Summation of nth term, summation of a 10 terms or 20 terms, that is suffix n is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula directly. N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you open it is n by 2, again this is other way also a plus n minus d. Because 2a I can split a plus a. But as we know, a plus n minus 1 into d we can write nth term directly. So this formula we can write other way also. N by 2 into a plus a suffix n also. So not only this, you can write other way also. This a we can also call a last term. Some people writing a plus l also. This is the formula also correct only. So we have the 4 different format of formulas we are having to calculate your nth terms. Out of 4, anyone you can use it. They mention to find out nth term, what are the things you need to require when you do the problems. Simple, when you nth terms calculation, which term you want, because n definitely mention 10 terms or 5 terms summation. They will be definitely the starting term they has to require dq and the common difference they will mention. We can do it now. So let us take. Let us I take our question. Problem number 1. What is the problem is? My series is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. 2, 4, 6 up to so on. I want sum of a 5 terms. Sum of 5 terms. Find sum of 5 terms. 5 terms, or we can write directly this s suffix 5 is equal to 5. S suffix 5 is equal to n. How much? That also you can write. S suffix 5 also correct. Starting 5 terms, or else find the sum of first 5 terms. You can write first 5 terms. So what is the formula? It is Sn is equal to, write the formula for this. The given series you should take a requirement. A is equal to how much? 2. D is equal to T2 minus T1. 4 minus 2, d is equal to 2. So you can write d is equal to 2 also we got it is. How much they want? N is equal to 5. Because these 3 data mentioned, we can directly apply the formula. Sn is equal to, S suffix 5 is equal to n by 2, nothing but 5 by 2. A plus 2 into a, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 means 5 minus 1, d into 2 we can write. So 5 by 2, 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4 and 4 minus 1, 4 into 2. So you can add 5 by 2, 4 plus. So you can add 5 by 2 into 8 plus 2, 12. So 2 1s are 2 6 are 5 6 are 30. So summation of first 5 terms I got answer is 30 by using a direct formula. Summation of 5 terms I using I got 30. But is it correct or not? Graphically, if I have a question, sir, answer is correct or not? So let us, the top series one I got very short. If you count it is first 5 terms. 2 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 8. How much? 24. So I can worry once again I will repeat it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 only, no? So how much it is? 8 plus 4. 12, 12. Okay, 2 1 2 6 5 30. You can count it out once again. 32 I got it is. Something else you are missing here. So what is there here? A plus D. 2 into 2 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 12. 12 5 by 2 2 6 6 5 is 30. We got S5 is 30. So how much you got is 10 6 plus 4 10 12 plus 10, 32 we got it is. We got 30 only. So something we are missing it is, once again I'll check it out. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 means 5 by 2, we got 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d. N means how much you are getting? 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 1 is 6. So 6 5 is 30. We got a summation of 5 terms is 30 we got it is. What are the 5 terms we got it is? These are the 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means what you want? 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 30. So I got correct only. This 5 you can add it, will get 30. Clear it is? So if you have any doubt, you can check it out here. So 30 I got it is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. How much you got? 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 30. So we can do formula also, we can do that general calculation also is going to be valid. So this is the way we are getting the things which are correct only. We can do direct formula, we can do general calculation. Time wasting procedure for 5 terms we can calculate. If you want 500 terms also we can do it. So this is the way of getting the question. So 5th term we are going to calculate in such a way. This is the way we are getting. So this is the model 1 questions. So 5th term is okay. If you want there are other big term also we can do it. The same procedure, the things we can calculate it is. Next, model 2 calculation and examination. The questions are very simple. So after if you take a formula here, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this, what are the terms is there in the question? We have Sn, we have n, we have a, what is that? If you want sometimes you can write S, T, N also, and D. Which are terms are required. When you open this, you will get this. If you observe this case, we are having only 5 terms. Out of 5 terms in examination, they will do any 3 terms. Any 3 terms, they will ask other 2. Any 3 they will do, they will ask other 2. You need to find it out. Before case, they will give 4 terms, a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 to d. You can find it. 3 mention other 1. Here they will mention 5 terms, they will give 3, other 2 you need to find it out. Sometimes they will give 4, they will go for the 5th term. Third term is possible, maximum. So maximum question they will ask the question. So those who wanted the question, I will write the question to you also. What are the cases they ask? Let us, I will take a question it is. For the sake of your own understanding. The examination, the model 1 problem. What they mention, please tell me formula. Question it is. One question I got in examination. A is equal to 5. D is equal to 3. And A, N is equal to 50. They are asking what is the value of small n and what is the value of Sn. This is they are asking the question. What's the value of n? They are asking what is the value of Sn is equal to question. The moment A and they mention, always A and they mention, you can substitute that only. A n is equal to 50. A n is equal to what is that? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 50. What are the known terms? A you know, substitute it is N you don't know. N minus D already 3, it's 50. So 5 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 50. So 3n is equal to 5 minus 3, 2, it will go that side. So 48 you got it is, I think so. So n is equal to 48 by 3. So n is equal to 16. So how many terms is there if you go the series? 16 terms is there. 16 terms is there in the given series. Starting the series will with start 5, it will make and with the difference of 3, you are going to get 16. So wanted to frame a series also, we can frame the series by using of that logics. To make a series also, we can make the series. If you are interested, I can make series also. What is the first term? It is 5. The difference is what? 3. So difference is going to be 5, then after 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 15. Up to so on the series may up to 50. Let's keep on going on there. 50. So what you are asking SN? So SN is about how much? SN means S40, S16 is about how much? 16 terms summation, how much it is there? Till 16. So what is the n by 2 into n is how much? 16 by 2 into a plus 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. 16 minus 1 into d, 3. So 8 into 10 plus 15, 3 is 45. 8 into 10 plus 5, 10 plus 45, 55. 55 into 8 is we can do it. 8 5 is 45, 8 5 is 45 plus 49, 495. So summation of 16 terms in your sequence of series, it may be in last term is 50. So if you keep on going, the summation of 16 terms you are getting 16. So this is the case where calculating n value. Basically the n terms or other terms will come when they mention an. Please open an with formula. On that a also getting, n also getting, d also getting. Any one you will get it. If you know 50, sometimes here n you find out, sometimes a you find out, sometimes d you find out. Unknown term. After that, other thing then only you can go for SN calculation. So this is the way the questions will come in these examinations. So go to the textbooks. Solve number of problems is there. Any queries, please make a comment on to me. I'll explain dot logics also. Please solve any questions. Please send to through mail IDs. I'll give the reply to you. Thanks for watching. Keep continue for next class and next videos. This is enough. I hope it will be helpful to you to solve different questions in this. So those who are not watching the videos, please watch previous videos to understand very clearly to enter into this concept. Keep continue for next class.